If you own a Toyota, having a good OBD scanner can help you quickly find out why the check engine light is on and save money on repair costs. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best OBD scanners for Toyota in 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY car owner, or an experienced mechanic, there's an option here for every budget and need. Let's get started and find the perfect scanner for your Toyota. Number 5. The ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner is a dedicated diagnostic tool engineered to pinpoint and resolve engine fault issues for vehicles manufactured from 1996 onward that utilize standard OBD2 protocols. Built around a utilitarian design, its primary features include reading hard, pending, and historic trouble codes, erasing those codes to turn off the check engine light, and pulling freeze frame data and live vehicle sensor readings. In terms of build and quality, the device balances a lightweight, somewhat hollow plastic chassis with a remarkably thick insulated cable that withstands rough handling. Its unique design aspect is its complete self-sufficiency. It draws power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 data link connector, eliminating the need for internal batteries or external chargers. Performance in real-life scenarios is fast and reliable, immediately establishing a connection upon plug-in and delivering quick code definitions directly on its backlit 128x64 pixel screen without requiring an internet lookup. Regarding ease of use, the interface is incredibly straightforward, featuring a retro, menu-driven layout controlled by a simple 4-button configuration that requires zero advanced tech skills. When compared to close competitors like the Autel AutoLink AL319, which offers a full color display and audible emissions readiness indicators at a slightly higher price point, the AD310 can feel visually dated with its TI 83 calculator aesthetic. However, it counters by providing excellent value for money, functioning as a highly dependable, no-frills tool that avoids the connection instability often plaguing low-end Bluetooth adapters. Overall, budget-conscious DIYers, first-time car owners, and casual garage hobbyists who want a quick, foolproof answer to why their check engine light is on will benefit immensely from this tool. For anyone needing a basic, reliable, and highly affordable diagnostic reader without complex advanced features like ABS or SR's airbag resetting, I would highly recommend the ANCEL AD310 for a deeper dive into how this device handles actual diagnostics. This hands-on comparison video breaks down the real-world performance, build quality, and interface differences between the ANCEL AD310 and its closest budget rivals. Number 4. The Autel Professional AutoLink AL319 OBD2 Scanner is a compact diagnostic tool built to interpret emission systems and pinpoint engine faults for all OBD-compliant vehicles manufactured after 1996. Its key features include reading and clearing generic or manufacturer-specific diagnostic trouble codes, the DTCs, pulling vehicle information via AutoVIN, retrieving freeze frame parameters, and viewing real-time live PCM data streams. In terms of build quality, the device features a hard, durable plastic shell with rubberized side grips that enhance drops and grease resistance alongside a rugged, integrated 16-pin OBD2 cable. A unique design aspect of the L319 is its patented one-click IM readiness key paired with bright color-coded LEDs, brain, yellow, red, and an internal speaker. These provide instant visual and audible validation of a vehicle's emission status. In real-life scenarios, the scanner performs smoothly as a battery-free, plug-and-play unit that boots instantly using the vehicle's terminal power. It offers exceptional ease of use, allowing beginners to easily navigate code definitions directly on its bright 220x176 DPI TFT color screen without looking up terms online. Compared to its close competitor, the ANCEL AD310, the AL319 delivers vastly superior visual clarity and structural feedback. While the ANCEL relies on a dated, monochrome, calculator-style screen, Autel's color display and multi-layered LED indicator system make interpreting system issues far quicker under low garage lighting. Given its affordable price tag and the inclusion of lifetime free internet software upgrades, it provides excellent value for money, acting as a much more reliable and immediate physical alternative to finicky Bluetooth smartphone dongles. Overall, everyday commuters, first-time car owners, and budget-conscious DIY hobbyists trying to avoid predatory garage fees or prepare for state smog tests will benefit the most from this tool. I highly recommend the Autel AL319 as a foolproof, highly visible, an essential glove box companion for basic engine diagnostics, provided you do not require specialized systems coverage like ABS, SR's airbag, or oil reset capabilities. Number 3. The XTOOL IP500 2.0 for BMW is a highly specialized professional-grade diagnostic tablet engineered to provide comprehensive dealership-level maintenance, modification, and troubleshooting for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce vehicles. Boasting complete O-level full system diagnostics, its standout features include bi-directional control capable of executing over 4,000 distinct active component tests, advanced ECU coding to personalize hidden factory settings like disabling auto start-stop or enabling auto-folding mirrors, and a robust library of 23+ specialized maintenance services including ABS auto-bleeding, injector coding, and electronic parking brake resets. Structurally, the device reflects heavy-duty workshop quality, pairing a rugged, impact-resistant outer shell with a vibrant 5.45-inch touchscreen display that outputs an outdoor-friendly 4K720 resolution. On the inside, its robust hardware build comprising a fast 1.2 GHz dual-core processor, an expansive 64 GB of storage, a fluid Linux operating system, and a built-in rechargeable 3150 mAh battery ensures lightning-fast performance and eliminates the sluggishness typical of basic handheld code readers. In real-life scenarios, the IP500 2.0 operates flawlessly on complex German electronics, instantly pulling vehicle profiles via AutoVIN and allowing home mechanics to execute a critical pro-level battery registration to prevent overcharging warnings, directly saving hundreds of dollars in steep dealership diagnostic fees. It provides a remarkably intuitive user experience thanks to its clean, modern user interface, clear 4-in-1 live sensor data graphing, and seamless, lifetime free software upgrades delivered directly over wireless connections using built-in Wi-Fi. Compared to prominent competitors like the Foxwell NT510 Elite, which relies on a slower, button-operated directional pad and a smaller, non-touch screen layout, the XTOOL dominates in system processing speed, visual clarity, and fluid ease of touch navigation. At its affordable price point, the scanner offers exceptional value for money, packing advanced software functions typically reserved for multi-thousand-dollar professional shop tools into a compact, completely subscription-free package. Overall, dedicated BMW owners, advanced DIYers, and independent garage technicians looking to master intricate European vehicle architectures will benefit immensely from this hardware. I highly recommend the XTOOL IP500 2.0 as a foolproof, cost-effective investment that easily pays for itself after just a single major service or custom adaptation cycle. Number 2. The BLCKTEC 460T OBD2 scanner is a versatile, mid-tier diagnostic tool designed to provide deep system troubleshooting and essential workshop maintenance for 1996 and newer OBD-compliant vehicles. Moving well beyond basic code reading, its key features include an all-system ECU scan that covers the core Big 4 modules engine, transmission, ABS, and SR's airbags alongside 12 highly sought-after dealer-level reset functions such as oil maintenance reset, ABS bleeding, electronic parking brake initialization, and throttle body relearn. Built with a tough, impact-resistant plastic casing tailored for rugged garage environments, the unit sports a vivid 2.8-inch color screen and a physical 9-button keypad. A unique design aspect of the 460T is its hybrid connectivity architecture, while it operates entirely as a standalone plug-and-play handheld that boots instantly using vehicle power. It also features integrated Bluetooth that pairs seamlessly with the free subscriptionless Repair Solutions 2 smartphone app to unlock a massive master technician verified repair database. In real-life scenarios, the 460T performs exceptionally fast, deploying AutoVIN, AutoScan, and AutoRelink technologies to automatically map the vehicle's control modules and continuously refresh data every 30 seconds without manual prompts. Its ease of use is stellar for all skill levels, offering intuitive 4 and 1 live sensor data graphing on screen and providing plain English DTC definitions paired with severity ratings. Compared to strict app and dongle-only rivals like the Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro, the BLCKTEC 460T delivers vastly superior value for money. It completely bypasses connection instability and smartphone battery drain by maintaining a dedicated physical interface while offering advanced workshop resets like abs bleeding that standard dongles cannot execute. Supported by lifetime free updates and US-based A-certified tech assistance, this tool represents an outstanding financial investment. Overall, dedicated DIY driveway mechanics, intermediate car enthusiasts, and multi-vehicle households seeking comprehensive diagnostic depth without the burden of ongoing subscription fees will benefit immensely from this device. I highly recommend the BLCKTEC 460T as a robust, incredibly efficient, and financially empowering addition to any tool chest. Number 1. The Autel MaxiCheck MX808S is a professional-grade Android 11-based bidirectional diagnostic tablet designed to serve as a comprehensive command center for intermediate mechanics, busy mobile technicians, and serious DIYers. Its key features include O-level all-system scanning, access to over 28 essential maintenance resets such as ABS auto-bleeding, injector coding, and electronic parking brake initialization and robust bi-directional control that executes more than 3,000 active component tests like cycling the fuel pump or toggling the AC clutch. Structurally, the unit feels incredibly substantial and shop-ready, featuring a heavy-duty, impact-resistant housing with protective rubber armor wrapping a crisp 7-inch LCD touchscreen. A unique design aspect of the MX808S is its built-in integration of standard FCA AutoAuth, enabling seamless, authorized access to bypass the secure gateway module on modern Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram vehicles right out of the box. Powering through real-life garage scenarios, the tablet operates with lightning speed thanks to a snappy Rockchip RK3566 quad-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which effectively eliminates the input lag and slow boot-up cycles found in older 800 series models. Navigating the modern, fluid user interface is exceptionally easy for anyone familiar with Android tablets. Offering quick auto-VIN vehicle identification, multi-channel live data graphing, and automated Wi-Fi diagnostic report sharing to the Autel cloud. When compared to close competitors like the Launch X431 Pro Elite, the Autel MX808S offers a more polished, stable ecosystem and cleaner report management, though the Launch can sometimes edges it out on data refresh frequencies during prolonged live engine graphing. Retailing at a highly competitive mid-range price point with a full year of free software updates. The MX808S represents outstanding value for money by providing dealership-level active testing at a fraction of the cost of a high-end diagnostic bay setup. Overall, independent repair shops, mobile service technicians, and automotive enthusiasts working on contemporary fleets will gain an immediate operational edge from this hardware. I highly recommend the Autel MX808S as a dependable, highly scalable, and exceptionally fast diagnostic powerhouse that will easily pay for itself within its first few major service operations. Those were our picks for the 5 best OB scanners for Toyota in 2026. We hope this guide helps you choose the right scanner based on your budget and the features you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car reviews, buying guides, and automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.